Hi, I am Niladri. You are watching my channel Niladri the Genius. Today video we will learn about bitwise operator. So what is bitwise operator? How it will work? Let's do. So what is bitwise operator? The operator which converts the decimal value into binary format and calculate according to the truth table. So what is bitwise operator? The operator which converts the decimal value into binary format and calculate according to the truth table. Example of bitwise operator: single AND, OR and XOR. This is called AND, this is called OR, this is called XOR. So how AND and OR XOR will calculate? So one question is there. So the operator which convert the decimal value into binary format and calculate according to. So first let's do how the decimal value will convert into binary and binary value convert into decimal. Let's do it. Then we will do bitwise operator. Suppose I am taking one decimal value, decimal to binary. Suppose I am writing suppose I am writing 12 is decimal value because the symbol is 10. You know the decimal symbol is 10. So 12 is decimal value. First we have to convert the 12 into binary format. So lot of technique are there. I am giving one easy technique. So how to easily convert the decimal value into binary format. So whenever you calculate the decimal value in binary format, you just write first 1, then write 2, then 4, then 8, then 16, then 32, like this way. So see the value, then according to that you can write. So next question is first 12. I am writing 12. So which value addition is 12? So 8 value addition is 12. 4 value addition, 8 and 4 addition is 12. Next one, this one 0. So what is the answer? This one 1 1 0 0. So this is the answer of binary. Clear? A equal to 12. So which value addition is 12? So 8 and 4 addition is 12. That's like this 1 1. Another value put 0. So example I am putting 13. So which value addition is 13? So first you take 8, then 4 12, then this value 13. 8 plus 4 12 and 13. So this one became 0. So after the answer 1 1 0 1. So this way you can calculate decimal to binary. Suppose I am taking 19. So how to convert 19? Which value addition is 19? So first you take 16, then 2, 30, then 1. So this becomes 0 and 0. So what is the answer? 1 0 0 1 1. So by this help you can calculate decimal to binary. Next step we will do binary to decimal. Again I am writing one binary value 1 1 0 1. I am writing one binary value. This is binary, symbol of 2, binary. This means binary. So same rule I am applying. First you write 1 2 4 8 16. Say according to 32, according to the value. So 4 digits are there. So 4 plus you write. So put that value in here. So first 1 is written. So 1 I am writing here. Next 0 is written. So I am writing 0. Next 1 is written. 1 I am writing. Next 1 is written. 1 writing. So in which place 1 is written, that's at that place. So 8 4 12 1, this one 13. So answer is 13. Clear? So like this way you can calculate. Suppose I am writing 1 1 1 0 1. I am writing 2. So first put the value 1 here. Always student doing mistake that putting the value coming, that value will here. No, the value coming from this way. First this value, then this value, then this value, like this. First 1 here, then 0, then 1, then 1, then 1. So add that value 16 plus 4 20, 28, 28, 29. The answer is 29. So this is the easy way, the simplest way to convert binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So let's do some example using bitwise operator. You now understand. So this is decimal value, how to convert the decimal value into binary format and convert the binary value into decimal format. Now let's do bitwise operator. So in already bitwise operator it told that AND or XOR is written. So how it work? Truth table. So let's do one truth table. Okay, so I'm writing A, B, A and B, A or B, A XOR B. Okay, so first true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. So first A and B already told in logical operator how the A and B calculated. A and B means if both are true, then true, otherwise false. So true, true became true. This is false, this is false, this is false. Next one, A or B. A or B means already told if any one is true, then total condition is true. So true, 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 false, true, false, true, true, false, false, false. Okay. So now X or B. X or B means if both the conditions are same, if both the conditions are same, the answer is false. Clear? If both the conditions are same, answer is false. Example, true, 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 same, so answer is false. Here false, false, same, answer is false. So here the condition is not same, so answer is true. Here the condition is not same, the answer is true. Okay, A and B means if any one condition is true, the answer is true. Sorry, both the condition is true, the answer is true, otherwise false. A or B means if any one condition is true, the answer is true, otherwise false. And A XOR B means if both the conditions are same, that means true or true, false, and false, false, false. That means both the conditions are same, the answer is false, otherwise true. So this is truth table of A and B or B XOR B. So in next video we will do how AND or XOR will calculate. Thanks for watching my channel.